So, oops, the Zoom popped up. So I did the coding on the right.
Okay, yeah.
The objects themselves were pre-made in CoSpaces. Did I answer the question, or could you repeat the question?
Yeah, no, that's what I was wondering is at what point you start your coding.
Yeah, so this on the right was my coding. I started like a few days ago. But I mean, yeah, on the right, I added all of these printed lines here. I wanted some sort of like continuous action,
Yeah.
like dialogue, movement, all these things on the right. So I just kind of thought up of a few examples and then implemented it without too much difficulty on the right. And it came out pretty cool, I think.
That is, oh, that's awesome. Well, congratulations.
Thank you so much. Yeah, I'll hand it off back to another tutor to give one of their little presentations.
Well, thanks, Ryan. I appreciate you sharing that with me.